friends, in the last video we learned about Mendelian genetics problem. So now in this video we will learn how to solve non-Mendelian genetics problem. So let's start. So here is the first problem. In snapdragons, red flower color is incompletely dominant to white with a heterozygous being pink. Normal flowers are completely dominant to pyloric shaped ones, and tall one is completely dominant to the dwarf one, as the three gene pairs segregate independently. So, if a homozygous red, tall, and normal flowered plant is crossed with homozygous white, dwarf, pyloric flower, then what proportion of F2 will resemble the F1 in appearance? Now we will solve the problem. We start with the assigning symbol to flowers. CR for red and CW for white. Capital N is for normal flowers and small n for pyloric ones. Capital T is for tall and small t is for dwarf plants. So the initial cross becomes red, tall and normal flowers crossed with white, dwarf and pyloric flowers. From this cross we get all the F1 plants are triple heterozygous with the genotype CRCW, capital T small t, capital N small n, and the phenotype is pink, tall and normal flowered plants. Interbreeding the F1 generation will produce 27 different genotypes in F2 generation. This answer follows from the rule that number of genotypes in 3n, where n is the number of heterozygous gene pairs is involved in F1 cause. Now here we ask for specifically the proportion of F2 progeny that resembles the F1 in appearance. So we have to calculate this proportion in a direct way without needing to display all the possible genotypes and collect those classes with appropriate phenotype. So first we calculate the frequency of pink flower plants in F2 generation. Then we determine the proportion of these plants that have the other two attributes. Start from a cross CRCW cross with CRCW, we get CRCW plants. Therefore, half of a progeny will be heterozygous and pink in color. Next, we determine the proportion of F2 plants that are phenotypically like F1 with respect to height, that is tall. Either capital T or capital T small t plants will be tall, and therefore the probability of tall plants in F2 will be 3/4. Similarly, the probability of normal flower of F2 plants like F1s are 3/4. So overall, to obtain the probability of occurrence of all three phenotypes together, that is pink, tall and normal plants, we must multiply the individual probabilities since the gene pairs segregate independently. So the probability of pink, tall and normal flowers is 1/2 into 3/4 into 3/4 is equal to 9/32. So it is the proportion of F2 progeny that resembles with F1 in appearance. That's how we can solve the non-Mendelian genetics problems. Now, second problem is for Potterheads. As James was a pure-blooded and Lily was a Muggle born, then what is the genotype of a blood group of the Harry Potter? This question is for you. You can answer this question in comment section below. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and until next video, stay safe and take care.